Yep. It's got my tire blew. I already replaced it with new ones. I put the 2 brand new tires. Oswald was driving this truck. Tire blew on the highway. He almost died. It did some damaging here. This rubber hoses for the turbo got blown away, and luckily that was the only thing, the only problem here. Didn't hit the turbo or anything. Didn't go so well for the hood, so just went to the junkyard for a new hood. See if I can put it in. Just a maple. I almost hit something. This is somewhere else. This is bad. Oh, we got these cables to disconnect. Some bulbs over there. Should come right off. Ouch! I hit myself already. Yes, I did. Man. Oh man. Oh no. Man. I'm not gonna edit that. I put some photos. We got a lot of books. Oh. Oriega? Oriega? She got a lot of You know what? I'm gonna leave this screw here until we're ready.
Okay.
You want that? If you more comfortable, yeah, it doesn't matter. sliding off? Yeah. All right. shit. Hold on.
Coming down.
Hold up, hold up.
I can't hold it.
Well, friends, everybody at the shop told me, why didn't I painted the hood before installing it? And this was the reason. I just had a feeling. I'm glad I didn't paint it because we had to move these things like 80 times and it would have been all scratched up. So the reason that wasn't closing right, the hood, is because this bracket is 2 inches bigger. Alright, this thing is mounted. It's got the cables there so that doesn't hit. Just gotta do some electrical work and it should be good to go. Ready for paint. All right, there it is. Just some paint work, just little cosmetic things here and there, but there you go. I can probably fix that. Put some epoxy on that. It's really nice screwed in. All the lights are working. I'm talking about truck lights. None of this aftermarket stuff is on yet. I probably will connect it later, but this truck has been sitting here for a couple of days and we're behind and got a lot of work to do, so at least you can get back on the road now. I don't see DOT giving me any issues, maybe for the mud flaps that are missing, but other than that I don't think they'll give me any problems here. And that's that. Just gotta fix this bracket and good to go. This truck can now go back to work. See you on the next one.